Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we are going to make 5 quick and easy overnight oats. Let's start with strawberry rhubarb overnight oat. I'm going to start with a half a cup of oatmeal. I have to mix together 1 tablespoon of strawberry rhubarb pie filling and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and adding it in on top of the oatmeal. Then adding a splash of milk and giving it a good stir, topping it with frozen strawberries, and it is ready for the fridge. Next is a tropical overnight oat. Starting with half a cup of oatmeal, I am adding 2 tablespoons of coconut yogurt, the juice from half a lime, and some fresh mangoes chopped up into little pieces. After giving it a good stir, I'm going to top it with coconut flakes and it's ready for the fridge. Next is a chocolate banana. Starting with half a cup of oatmeal, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and slices of banana, and about a tablespoon of milk, and mix well. I'm going to top it with sliced bananas and putting it in the fridge. Next is a PB&J overnight oats. Starting with about half a cup of oatmeal, adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and mix well. Once it's mixed, topping with a teaspoon of jam and putting it in the fridge. Next is apple cinnamon overnight oats. Starting with half a cup of oatmeal, adding 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, a splash of milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, chopped up apple, and about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and giving it a good mix. Top with pieces of apple, and it's ready for the fridge. And there you have it, 5 easy and delicious recipes for meal prepping for the week. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.